This is Koowheel skateboard production line. Today I will unbox Koowheel skateboard for you. Let's check it out what's inside. Okay, here is the inner box of Koowheel skateboard. Okay, let's have a look. There is the Koowheel Onyx black. Dun, 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 dun. Koowheel logo. So in this box you could see Koowheel manual, and this is a warning card: no riding on wet floor, and remember wear a helmet and pants. Here, this is an extra PU cover for the motor. Here is the bumper. Here is the bumper for the deck, the front and the rear. And here is the toolbox. Okay, let's see. In the box, this is the remote. It's the grip design remote. And this is the cable for charging the remote. It's a micro USB charger. Here is the charging port for remote. So for the remote, you need to it will take you half an hour to charge it. Here is the T-tools. You could use it to adjust the kingpin and to change a PU cover here. You could use this. Use this tool. See it? Okay. Like this. And this is the adapter. This is the wall charger. This one is the wall charger. Here is screws for locking the PU cover of the motor. Okay, so that's all we have in the box. Okay, then I will give you a short brief of each part of Koowheel skateboard. Okay, first let's see the deck. The deck is made of 7-player Canadian maple wood. It's lightweight, only 7.7 kg, and with very good resistance. And the remote, this motor is inside is two inside. Half motor is each is 350 watts, so total is 700 watts, and it's 97 millimeters. It's very big wheels. From here you could see the sticker. The sticker is for warranty. It's a warranty sticker. So, and you will have a unique serial number here. With this sticker, you could enjoy 1 year free warranty in our warehouse, in our overseas warehouse like Los Angeles and Germany. And here is a warning sticker too. Okay, this is a Koowheel swappable battery. You could just take this PU cover away and use this needle to unlock the nuts Dun dun. Okay, could take it out. Whereas on the speaker, you could say it's 36 watts and 4300 mAh. And also we have a 5500 mAh battery for option 2. So for this battery, the total is 154 watts total. This battery pack is made of 20 cells, LG battery cells. And here you could see is the connector port from battery with the main board. Koowheel skateboard, we have two ways to charge it. And the first one is charging it directly. Here you could see the charging port, and this is adapter and the wall charger. You could charge it directly. And then the second way is you could charge the battery separately. If you have a spare battery and you want to ride your Koowheel skateboard out, and for the spare battery you could charge it at your home separately with this converter. This was in the corner box, and with this wall charger connected. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. It's really convenient. Okay, next I will tell you how to change a swappable wheel kit for the motor. Change another one. Lock it.